Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about the clinical importance or clinical significance of early detection, early intervention, early diagnosis, early management of liver disease. Because especially in liver disease, a preventive level of healthcare system or healthcare management plays great important role. As you know, our liver is a very largest gland in our body, weighing near about 2% of our total body weight, and at the same time, liver is having a great regenerative capacity also. That means even if there is any liver injury, the liver cells may or the hepatocytes may regenerate, and thereby our liver can compensate its normal daily metabolic activities. That itself may leads to some complications in our daily life, because even in some degree of pathology already happened in our liver, our patient may not show any set of symptoms of liver failure or liver disease. When our patient is having some set of very specific symptoms of liver disease, at that phase our liver may become in a decompensated stage. That means usually the symptoms are developed only in advanced stage of liver disease. Even in such stage of liver disease diagnosis, usually the prognosis may not be a good prognosis, or it can be a bad prognosis also. So to overcome such situations, especially with liver or renal issues, we have to diagnose the status as early as possible. The goal of screening or aim of laboratory tests are designed to detect and study the degree of liver injury, to evaluate the severity, to diagnose the real cause behind the liver disease, and to monitor the present status of our patient over time. These are the main goal of investigation of our liver disease cases. By diagnosing the cause of liver injury or liver failure or fatty liver, whatever may be the diagnosis, while if we can evaluate the real cause behind the such problem or such status, we can opt which line of management or what type of liver disease is this, and which type of treatment has to be opted. While investigating the case, if we can rule out the real cause behind the liver disease or liver injury, by which we can opt or we can select the line of management, which type of treatment has to be opted in our patient, which line of management is better to our patient, and what type of treatment has to be given to our patient, etc. As you know, some of the liver problem may need pure surgical intervention, as in case of cholelithiasis or any tumor which obstruct the ducts of hepatobiliary system, or any vascular anomalies, or in advanced stage of cirrhosis or hepatocellular carcinoma. In such condition, surgery may needed. So, diagnosis of the liver problem are very essential, because in most of our patient with a liver problem, the symptoms are comparatively similar, or the symptoms may be as ascites or pedal edema or pulmonary problems, or when it affects the brain, the symptoms may be of some psychological or psychoneurological symptoms. So to prevent such bad situation, early detection and early diagnosis of liver disease plays great important role in our clinical life.